Today we have an easy repair for a stove with an uneven flame. Rather than the flame going around in a nice circle, sometimes the flame will shoot out only on one part of the burner. It's pretty easy to fix, just take you a few minutes. Like this one's just shooting out the front, and that gives you uneven cooking. So here's a good flame. It goes all the way around in a big circle. That's what you want. So to cure this, we just have to do a few different steps. First one is to make sure the burner cap is on nice and flat. So we're going to take that cap off and we're going to put it back, wiggle it around, look at it from the side, and make sure it sits nice and flat. Because if it's up at an angle, the gas will come out unevenly. Let's see if that did any good for us. So we still have that problem though, the flame shooting out the front. We have a cleaning tool that you can get from our link in the description below that can help with this problem. It has a wire brush which really helps to clean it up. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. The next thing we're doing is we're wiring the burner head. We're trying to clear off any food debris or corrosion. We're going to do the same thing to the burner cap, the underside of the burner cap, not the top, but the under part that touches the burner head. So we're going to be cleaning that the best we can. Now we try a third step here. We're going to take off the burner cap. Sometimes some models you have to unscrew them to take them off. This one just pops off. We're going to clean these gas ports. The gas ports are just little holes in a brass fitting. We're going to clean them out. You could use a paper clip. We're going to use this tool called an owl. We'll put a link in the description below if you want to get one of those tools. And we're just going to circle around and break up any kind of corrosion that might have built up over the years. Sometimes when you have a boil over, the milk or rice will get down into that hole and clog it. We're also using the wire brush to clean the igniter. We're just getting any debris out, trying to get everything very clean. We're going to put the burner head back on. And then we'll put the cap back on, make sure it's nice and flat. Again, we're looking from the side so we can see that it's sitting down flat. Just want to wiggle it around until it's very flat. And then we'll give it a try. Yeah, there we go. So nice round flame. That's what we want. So good success. And that was pretty easy. We put the burner grate back on. Let's do it on the one here on the left. The one on the left's pretty good, but I think we could make it even more even. So we're using the same procedure. Take off the cap, take off the burner head. We're using the wire brush to clean the igniter. I'm going to poke down into there with that owl tool to clean out the gas port. And then on this burner head, there's actually a little hole that the gas flows through to get ignited. I'm going to clear that out too. Again, you can use a straightened paper clip would work too. Get that nice and clean. Put that burner back on. Use a wire brush to clean the burner cap. I'm going to get rid of any rust or corrosion. I'm going to put that cap on nice and flat, and then we'll try it out. Yeah, there we go. So that's a better flame. All right, so that worked good. And we can do that to all of them. Usually it's the front burners that are going to have trouble because we tend to use those the most. But you can always experiment with moving that burner cap around. Make sure you let it cool for a second because they tend to be hot. And just work with it until you get a nice, even flame. Hopefully this will get yours working great too.